CDL inspection, part B. Mirrors. No crack, no broken, no damage, clear. Mirror brackets. No bended, no damage, securely mounted to the door, all bolts present. Door. No damage, no broken, in good condition. Unlock, lock, works properly. Door hinges. No damage, no broken, securely mounted. Grab handle. No bended, no broken, and no damage. Fuel tank. No damage, no leak, no bend, cap present. Straps. No cut, no damage, and no broken. Steps to the cabin, no bended, no broken, in good condition, all bolts present. Frame. No crack, no broken, no leggable holes, no leggable welds. Battery compartment, securely mounted to the frame, no damage, no broken, all wires properly connected. Air tanks, primary and secondary air tanks, no leaks, no broken, no damage, in good condition, all hoses properly connect, secure, and no leaks. Steps to the catwalk, no bended, no broken, no damage, all bolts present. Catwalk, securely mounted to the frame, no damage, no broken, all bolts present. Cross member, securely mounted, no crack and no damage. Drive shaft, no bend, no damage, no broken. U-joints, properly greased, no damage, no broken, no crack. Exhaust system, securely mounted, no damage, no broken, in good condition. Splash guard, securely mounted to the frame and properly attached. Leaf spring mount, securely mounted to the frame, all bolts present, no broken, no damage. Leaf spring, no crack, no damage, no shifted. Torque arm, no crack, no damage, no broken. U-bolts, tight, secure, and no damage. Air brake chamber, no leaks, no broken, securely mounted. Air hoses, no cut, no leak, and no broken. ABS cable, no cut, no frayed, and properly connect. Push rod and slack adjuster, securely mounted, no damage, no broken, has no more than 1 inch free play when brake release. Has no more than 1 inch free play when brake release. Brake drum and brake shoes. Brake drums and brake shoes. No crack, no damage, no broken, no oil inside. Brake shoes no less than 1/4 inch thickness. Tires. It's a double tires. Gonna be same size. No garbage, no rocks inside. No gap between rims. Inside, outside, top of the tire, no cut, no broken, no bubble, no leak, no less than 2/32 3 depth. Rims, outside, inside, no crack, no damage, no illegal welds, securely mounted with lug nuts. lug nuts, tight, secure, no rust and no shine. Axle seal, no leaks, no damage, no broken, all nuts presents. Air valve, no bended, no broken, no damage, proper pressure around 100 psi. Back lights, no crack, no damage, no broken, proper color red. This is a multi-function light, turn lights, four-way flasher lights, and brake lights. License plate number clean and readable. Все.